Hola Marina, ¿cómo estás hoy?
Hola, Ben, fenomenal. ¿Tú qué tal?
Pues muy contento, super happy to be back recording another episode of I Love Real Spanish. This is where you'll learn the real Spanish that you're never going to find in a boring big name app or a musty old textbook. This is the fun stuff that makes you sound incredibly good at Spanish. So we've got coming up today a real Spanish conversation. What are we going to be talking about?
Yes, we'll tell you all about our news and the starting of the school year here in Madrid.
Yep, so that's coming up in Spanish now, so get ready for that. We are also going to have a quick segment after that about how to jump up a level in Spanish, no? So wherever you are, how you're going to get to the next level much sooner with our help. And finally, we're going to be telling you about an amazing opportunity coming tomorrow, Thursday, September the 7th. We're going to be opening our Inner Circle membership, which we very rarely open. We're opening on Thursday for 24 hours for people to join that. So we'll talk more about that, and don't miss the email about that tomorrow, Thursday. So real Spanish conversation time. This is where we, how do you say to bring you up to date?
Os ponemos al día.
Right.
Es donde os ponemos al día.
Right. Ponerse al día is to get up to date on something. So that's what we're going to do now. Let's dive into Spanish.
Okay.
Remember, if you're a very low level, just try and get one or two words, just try and get the general gist of what we talk about. And maybe afterwards you can tell us in the comments how it went, how much you understood. Marina, ¿qué tal las vacaciones?
Yo muy bien, ¿tú qué tal?
Buah, impresionantes. Pero ¿se han acabado? Sí.
Lo bueno, si breve, dos veces bueno.
Ya, pues no ha sido tan breve,
No ha sido tan breve, ¿no?
Hemos tenido unas buenas vacaciones. ¿Primero dónde?
Primero en las montañas, en los Pirineos. Hemos hecho muchas caminatas, ¿no?
Sí, y luego, sí, hemos subido muchas montañas muy altas, la verdad, que estamos en forma,
Sí.
nos encontramos muy bien.
Sí.
Y después de las montañas, ¿qué?
Bueno, hemos cerrado las vacaciones con una semana en la playa, en la Costa de la Luz, en Cádiz, donde las playas son maravillosas, ¿no?
Sí, en la playa lo hemos pasado genial.
Y hemos ido con un grupo de amigos, con muy buena vida social, ¿no?
Sí, muchas barbacoas, ¿cómo se dice?
Barbacoas.
Barbacoas
Sí.
juntos, sí.
Sí.
Mucha vida social, sí, que nos ha venido de perlas.
De perlas, para cerrar el verano y terminar nuestro descanso y volver llenos de energía para empezar el curso escolar, por un lado, con nuestros hijos, y por otro, traer esa buena energía para ofreceros un montón de cosas nuevas este año en Notes in Spanish.
Tenemos muchas ganas de trabajar y de ayudaros a mejorar el español un montón,
Sí,
¿no?
exacto.
Bueno, ya está. Yo creo que ya están al día.
Yo creo que sí.
Que estáis al día.
Bueno, contaros una última cosa, que hemos llegado a un Madrid muy lluvioso.
Está lloviendo a mares.
Sí, hay tormentas de verano y llevamos 3 o 4 días aquí, 4 días, y yo creo que ha llovido todos los días.
Yeah, yeah. Bueno, there you go. Okay, so how much did you get? Did you understand everything? You can even go back and watch the Spanish bit again if you like. A few phrases I wanted to pull out. One was nos ha venido
de perlas.
De perlas. Literally, it came to us like pearls.
También podrías decir nos viene o nos ha venido al pelo.
Nos ha venido al pelo. So, nos ha venido de perlas means it was just fantastic. It was amazing. It was wonderful. And the expression you said?
Nos viene al pelo, venir al pelo.
Sí.
Al pelo, pelo.
Sí, when you say me viene al pelo, it means it's just what I need.
Just what I need. Y de me viene de perlas, exactly the same. Just what I needed.
Yeah, so the holidays were just what we needed. Hemos subido montañas, we've been up mountains, then we went to the beach. Ahora, ¿tenemos ganas de trabajar?
Sí.
Tener ganas de algo means you really want to do it. You're really up for it. So yeah, we're really up for getting back to work and teaching you guys lots of Spanish. And then we said the big surprise has been the weather in Madrid.
Yes.
Está lloviendo a mares,
sí.
Which I think the closest translation would be it's raining cats and dogs.
Exactly, yes, that's the translation.
Yeah. Did you know when Spanish people learn English, one of the phrases they most love learning out of all of them is it's raining cats and dogs.
Yeah,
because
it's very funny for us. Yes.
It's the most bizarre expression. Okay, so there's some cool expressions for you. Hopefully you understood lots of our conversation. So, Marina, now we wanted to talk about how to get to the next level with your Spanish. It's a common question. I'm stuck. How do I get to the next level? Especially for intermediates, you can get stuck for what seems like a lifetime on the intermediate plateau. But how do you jump up? And you can, and it's easier than you think, no?
Yes.
So, we've got 5 points. We're going to go through them. Bomb, bomb, bomb. The first one is...
Yes, it's totally normal. The intermediate plateau happens to most of the people. There can be other points, not only at intermediate, where you can have the plateau, but that's totally normal. It's part of learning a language, whichever language it is.
So point 1 would be, it's totally normal. Accept it, smile at it, and say, I'm going to beat it. All right? And this is how you beat it. The next point is have fun. If you're finding that your language learning process is boring, change it, go and do something else. Even for just a bit, go and watch some Netflix series in Spanish with the subtitles for a few weeks. Listen to more of our wonderful Notes in Spanish podcasts. But if you're bored with the system that you're using, put it on one side for a bit and have fun. Fun promotes learning, without doubt.
And motivation, yes.
And motivation. Motivation is key. If you're not having fun, you're not motivated. So point 2, have fun.
If you want to jump a level, our point 3 would be make a commitment to steady work. Make a commitment with yourself, find some time in your timetable and book it for your Spanish learning.
Yeah, very special time for you. So it might be, I'm going to listen to one Notes in Spanish podcast on a Tuesday afternoon and another on a Thursday afternoon. But that's time for me of enjoyment and Spanish learning, and it's sort of, untouchable. No one touches that. Okay, so make a commitment and stick to it. Maybe focus on one area. You might say, look, I think I need to work on my listening. So that's what I'm going to focus on. And I'm going to do that in a fun way by listening to us or watching something on Netflix. Or maybe I want to focus on my speaking. So do you know what? I'm going to go and find an intercambio and I'm going to work on that for the next few months. That can help a lot as well by picking an area to focus on. And finally,
the most important
way to jump up a level, knowing that it's totally normal to feel these plateaus, is...
No te rindas nunca.
No te rindas nunca. This is one of the Notes in Spanish lemas, the Notes in Spanish slogans. No te rindas nunca. Never give up. And you will go up to the next level. ¿A que sí?
Totally.
Right. Finally today, we wanted to invite you to this very special thing that's happening tomorrow, Thursday. We are opening our Real Spanish Inner Circle membership just for 24 hours. We open sometimes for longer, very rarely, but we wanted to give you this opportunity now, because if you are thinking, look, I want to make a real difference to my Spanish between now and, say, the end of the year, then we thought, well, we want to give people that opportunity to join us in our very special membership, where we have our deep dive videos, where we have conversations in Spanish on very special themes and subjects. This month, we're actually diving into film and movies. It's going to be wonderful to see what all the great movies we share in there and other people in the membership share with us. We're going to be talking about that in Spanish.
We have a great community that gives mutual support, and there's a big talk now about how to improve your Spanish from here to Christmas.
Yeah, people laying out their plans. It's amazingly motivating just to read that and to form part of that energy of we're all learning Spanish and improving together. And, we created the Inner Circle to get everybody up to what we call the pro proficiency level. You've got beginner, intermediate, advanced, and then we said above that you get pro proficiency, which is where your Spanish is just multifaceted and perfect, and you can deal with any situation ever. That is what the Inner Circle is about. It's about taking everyone there together. So this is an amazing opportunity for you to jump in tomorrow. It's Thursday, September the 8th. Just 24 hours it's going to be open. Come and join us. And we're taking everyone's Spanish to the top with all of these wonderful things. So look out for that. Tomorrow there will be an email to the Notes in Spanish newsletter list. If you haven't joined yet, then there's a link underneath to join to make sure you don't miss this opportunity tomorrow. Come and join us in the Inner Circle if you really want to improve your Spanish, with wonderful people and amazing extra materials from us. And if you like, also, you could leave us a comment underneath, Marina, about what?
Yes, you can write to us in the comments and tell us what your commitment is.
Yeah.
We would love to read your plans for the next few months.
Yeah. Our plans for the next few months is to teach you guys loads of Spanish and to really look after our Inner Circle members as well. So we hope to see you in there. Watch out for an email tomorrow. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.